Ever wondered if black holes have an opposite, a possibility of white holes? A question that might seem fantastic, almost like a plot from a science fiction novel. But the universe, in all its cosmic glory, is a place where the fantastic often becomes reality. Let's begin by pondering the enigmatic phenomenon that we call a black hole. Picture an area in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches, a point of no return. A cosmic one-way street leading to an unknown destination. That is a black hole for you. Now let's flip the coin and introduce the concept of white holes. These are still largely theoretical, yet they are just as fascinating. Imagine a region in the universe where matter and light can escape, but nothing can enter. It's as if the universe has its back door, a cosmic trapdoor, if you will, from which matter and light could escape, but into which nothing could enter. Black holes and white holes, despite being diametrically opposite, are connected by the same fabric of space-time, almost like mirror images of each other. Where black holes voraciously consume everything that ventures too close, white holes are the cosmic geyser, potentially spewing out matter and light. But where does all this matter and light come from? Some theories suggest that white holes could be the other end of black holes, a sort of exit point for all the matter and energy consumed by black holes. However, these are still theories, and the existence of white holes is yet to be confirmed. The universe is still full of mysteries, and every day we are peeling back the cosmic layers to understand it a bit more. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember there's so much more than meets the eye. Amidst the vast cosmic tapestry, there might be white holes, acting as cosmic trapdoors, spewing out matter and light from places unknown. Imagine a cosmic trapdoor from which matter and light could escape, but into which nothing could enter. That's a white hole for you. What if I told you that our universe might just be one among an infinite number of others? Now, that's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? But that's precisely what the multiverse theory proposes. The theory suggests that our universe, the one we live in with its millions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, could be just a tiny blip in a vast cosmic ocean filled with an infinite number of other universes. Let's break it down a bit. The multiverse theory is rooted in the field of quantum physics. Quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at once and only settle into a single state once they're observed. This concept, known as superposition, leads us to the idea of multiple realities. For instance, imagine flipping a coin. Before it lands, it's both heads and tails at the same time, according to quantum mechanics. But in our world, it can only land as either heads or tails, not both. Now apply this idea to the universe. Every time a decision is made on a quantum level, a new universe could be created. One where the coin landed heads, another where it landed tails. Multiply this by an infinite number of quantum events happening every moment, and you've got yourself a multiverse. So how does this help us? Well, the multiverse theory could potentially solve several mysteries in physics. For example, it could explain the finely tuned nature of our universe. If there's an infinite number of universes, then it's not surprising that at least one of them has the right conditions for life as we know it. It's a fascinating theory, but it's not without its challenges. As of now, it remains just that, a theory. But who knows what the future of science holds? What we do know is that the universe, or rather the multiverse, is more complex and fascinating than we could have ever imagined. So, in a nutshell, the multiverse theory suggests that we are just a tiny part of a much larger, unimaginably vast cosmos. Now, can you imagine what would happen if white holes and the multiverse intersected? This thought-provoking question brings us to the intriguing connection between white holes and the multiverse. Let's take a cosmic leap into this fascinating subject. White holes, the theoretical opposites of black holes, have been a subject of intense scientific speculation. While black holes are cosmic vacuums, swallowing everything that comes too close, white holes, in theory, do exactly the opposite. They are cosmic fountains, spewing out matter and energy. Now, let's add the multiverse theory into the mix. The multiverse theory proposes the existence of an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. These universes are all part of a much larger cosmos. Some of them might be similar to ours, while others could be governed by entirely different laws of physics. So how do these two complex concepts intersect? One fascinating idea is that white holes could potentially serve as gateways to these other universes. Imagine a black hole in our universe, relentless relentlessly consuming matter and energy. The energy has to go somewhere, right? Now, picture a white hole in another universe spewing out matter and energy. Could it be that the matter swallowed by a black hole in our universe is being expelled out of a white hole in another universe? While this idea is purely speculative and based on theoretical physics, it's an intriguing concept that could potentially bridge the gap between our universe and the infinite number of universes that could exist beyond ours. This idea brings a whole new dimension to our understanding of the cosmos. It suggests that our universe might not be an isolated bubble, but part of a much larger multiverse, interconnected through a network of black and white holes. So the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that each star could potentially be a doorway to another universe. Intrigued? Let's delve into what current science has to say. The field of theoretical astrophysics is a vast and ever-evolving one. In recent years, the concept of white holes has attracted significant attention. These theoretical entities are the exact opposites of black holes, spewing out matter instead of sucking it in. While black holes are well documented, white holes remain largely theoretical with no direct observational evidence to date. However, that does not deter the scientific community from exploring this fascinating concept. In the quest to understand white holes, a notable study by physicists Carlo Rovelli and Hal Haggard proposed that black holes could transform into white holes over an incredibly long period of time due to quantum effects. This is a radical departure from traditional theories, which suggests that nothing can escape a black hole's event horizon. Another significant development in this field is the idea that white holes could be responsible for the Big Bang, a theory put forth by Nikodem Poplawski. According to Poplawski, our universe might have originated from a white hole, which itself was the end product of a black hole in another universe. This ties into the concept of the multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of many. On the multiverse front, the theory has gained traction with the potential to explain many mysteries of physics. While it remains a largely theoretical construct, studies in cosmology, quantum mechanics, and string theory all suggest the possibility of multiple universes. However, as enticing as these theories are, they still require more empirical evidence for validation. Theoretical physicists around the globe are tirelessly working on developing new mathematical models, computational simulations, and observational strategies to unravel these enigmas of the cosmos. While the existence of white holes and the multiverse remains theoretical, the quest for understanding these concepts continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Before we wrap up, let's summarize our cosmic journey. We began with an exploration of our intriguing universe, a vast cosmic expanse teeming with galaxies, stars, and planets. We learned that what we perceive as our reality is just a tiny fragment of a much larger, complex picture. Then we delved into the multiverse theory, a thought-provoking concept suggesting that our universe may be just one of an infinite number of universes. Each universe, according to this theory, has its own physical laws and properties, making the multiverse a grand cosmic tapestry of endless possibilities. We also uncovered the enigmatic concept of white holes. These hypothetical regions of the universe are the theoretical time-reversed counterparts of black holes. Instead of devouring everything that comes their way, white holes are believed to spew out matter and energy. The idea of white holes is not just a science fiction trope, but a serious proposition within the realm of theoretical physics. And then we traced the fascinating connection between white holes and the multiverse. Could white holes serve as gateways to other universes? Could they be the cosmic bridges connecting our universe with countless others? These are questions that continue to captivate scientists and fuel ongoing research. Finally, we discussed the latest scientific insights into these cosmic phenomena. While they remain largely theoretical, advancements in technology and observational tools are nudging us closer to potentially verifying or refuting these theories. The journey to understand our universe and its mysteries is an ongoing one, filled with breakthroughs, setbacks, and countless moments of awe. As we continue to explore the universe and its mysteries, who knows what we might discover next? Remember, the universe is full of infinite possibilities just waiting to be explored.